Are you guys ready to talk toilets? They're a thing. They gotta be cleaned, and every house has got them, right? And you probably all got boys like me that they can't aim and things get nasty. So I am here to show you that you can actually clean your toilet with a Norwex Envirocloth and water better than you can do it with these nasty things. So we're gonna get started. It is very easy to clean with Norwex. I'm going to show you some cool things so that you can really see how good it works. These are protein test swabs. I get these from a health inspecting company and they test for proteins. Now, urine has proteins in it, right? And I'm also going to show you said proteins with a black light. Have you guys ever looked at your toilet under a black light? It's a little frightening. So urine glows in the dark. Can you see the spots? Totally will glow wherever there is urine on the surface. So this toilet is very filthy and dirty. You guys can see that. Now I am going to take, for our control, one of these protein test swabs. We've obviously seen that there are proteins there, right? And we are just going to test this toilet. Give it a good rub down. Check all the stuff out. And show you how this works. All right, you can see that instantly turned super dark purple. Purple stands for proteins. We're gonna stick that in this cup here. This is our control sample. All right, now we are going to take the Norwex Envirocloth, which is just wet with water, and I'm going to wipe down half its toilet right here. Start here, and we're just gonna do this part of the toilet. Now, normally when I do my toilets, I start with my dusting mitt. And the reason I start with my dusting mitt is because when you're cleaning, you ever clean the bathroom and your cloth is all filled with fluff and gunk from the toilet paper fluff in the air? Yeah, that's never any fun, right? So I actually take my dusting mitt and I grab all of that fluff first, and then I will take my Envirocloth to do the cleaning. Oh, all right, so that was our Envirocloth. Now we're going to take another test swab, and we are going to swab where we just cleaned. All right, this one, check it out, guys. That is green. Green stands for clean. Isn't that awesome? I was just watering an Envirocloth. Now we're going to do the other side with one of these disinfecting wipes. Give it a good rub. Oh, these things smell. All right, we are going to put, let's see, this is the disinfecting wipe one. And take our test swab and let's swab it out. All right, here we go. Yeah, that's not very green in that one. Yuck. All right, let's see how it is under the black light. All right, you can see on our disinfecting wipe side, it really did not grab a lot of that urine. I kind of smeared it. And you look on our other side, wiped it a little bit better, but for a little quick wipe down. But you can see that there's still a lot of glowing over here. A lot of glowing. And let's look at our swabs again. So this was the control. This one was the Envirocloth. And this one was the disinfecting wipes. Just water, guys. Harmful, nasty chemicals. So let's actually get this toilet all the way clean. We're gonna grab this Envirocloth and we're gonna wipe it all down. And it's so quick and so easy to do. You ever have company like headed over in a flash and you're like, oh no, I gotta hurry and clean the bathroom. grab my cloth, get it wet, wipe it down, it's good, we're good to go. Get all that disinfecting wipe off of there. So I don't use my cloths on the inside of the toilet. I will show you the amazing toilet roll brush, which is amazing actually, because, let me show you this. Backlock is microsilver, okay? Microsilver is embedded in all of the fibers of your Norwex cloths. It is also infused in the toilet brush, the handle, the container, and the bristles. What that does for your cloths and for like the toilet brush is it actually kills the bacteria. So when you use these tools, you get that bacteria and stuff in there. In your cloths, you're gonna rinse it, let it dry. That microsilver goes to work purifying the cloths. On your toilet brush, your sheets, all of our other things, as it dries, that microsilver kills the bacteria in here. So this thing is not gonna be a nasty breeding ground for germs and smells because it's going to clean itself. How cool is that, right? So our toilet brush has got two kinds of bristles. Super, super tough scrubby ones and silicone bristles. These silicone bristles shine your toilet bowl. So you got your scrubby ones to get it clean and then your silicone ones to make it shiny. Now this brush also holds the Norwex toilet cleaner. Our bathroom cleaner is fantastic. It is safe. Even if your dog licks the bowl, it's okay. It's not gonna hurt them. All of our products are septic safe, pet safe, people safe. You dump your cleaner in here, it will hold 116 squirts. Usually use like 2 squirts is all you need to clean your toilet bowl. So you can dispense from the top or you can dispense from here. And I just put in 1 shot over here and 1 shot over there. So as you can see, I don't have to cover the whole bowl with bathroom cleaner to get this toilet beautifully clean. So, sorry, I'm kind of at a weird angle here, but you can see that very simple to get the toilet nice and shiny. Get rid of that ring. Now, if you guys have got really hard water, or you get those black lines that are coming down from inside your toilet tank, the easiest way to get rid of the gunk that is inside your toilet is, let me show you my little trick here. There we go. Sandpaper. 220 weight sandpaper will tackle the nasty gunk that builds up in your toilet super, super easy. So you can get this black kind that has the holes in it like you do for sheetrock, right? Sheetrock tape. Or you can get the brown kind, which is totally fine. Just get the 220 weight, you get it wet, and then you can use this up underneath the rim, and it will break out all of that black stuff, that extra smell that you can never seem to get rid of on your toilet. If you've got a ring down and around the bottom that you can't get rid of, you can use it there as well. This is not going to hurt the porcelain in your toilet bowl. It doesn't get that nasty smell like you're burning stuff, like when you use a pumice stone. So this is really easy just to wrap around, get the toilet nice and clean. Don't use it on paint because the sandpaper is going to take off the paint. So we're going to flush this. Show you that our toilet is sparkly clean. So super easy to do, right? If you have those super black lines, I'm going to show you something here. Did I bring it in? Oh, hang on, let me grab it. So if you have those black lines that build up inside your toilet bowl, gets really dirty, you got hard water. This is a magnet ball, okay? Your magnet ball is something that actually takes those minerals out of that water, taking hard water and turning it into soft water. So if you have got hard water buildup inside your toilets, the easiest way to get them clean them, use that sandpaper, break up that hard water, use our descaler. Descaler is enzyme based, so it tackles that hard water buildup very, very fast and easy. Spray it on, let it sit, scrub it off, it's gonna go away. Then you take this magnet ball and you put it inside your toilet tank. You just plop it in there and it's just gonna stay there. It is put it in and forget it, and it is going to work every single time you flush your toilet. It is going to help soften your water to help reduce the amount of buildup that you get inside your toilet. How easy is that, right? Now, I want you to see that this is still green. It's still clean. So, that is the tips for toilets. Start with the dusting mitt. Grab all the fluff. Take your wet Envirocloth, wipe it down, wipe down the inside with the toilet brush, and you are done. Easy peasy.